So today we got a little bit of a side quest here. Let me get my hat on. This thing's just a little yeah, we can't be having that. We're gonna fix this. What I've devised is I'm gonna get a little metal bracket up underneath here, and that metal bracket's just gonna make sure that, you know, it'll be on both sides, but it'll make sure that this cannot pull out from. And now we're just going to need the yeah, thanks, sir. So I've already cut the piece. In fact, I've cut both pieces. So we're just going to beat these into shape and get them working. Okay, and I think we're done. Get the fuck off there. Hey, we got her. Now we've got our hardware. Alright, and here's our bracket set up. This is about the best I can give you. Let's get this installed. Alright. Hey, that'll work. Now I need two more of the larger washers, but I already ran out to the garage once to grab two washers that I needed to grab, so like... Alright, lesson learned, go and find the washer. Get over here. Shit. And that... it's fixed. Grab this thing, demonstrate cricket. Big Floyd coming through, so candy with every. Alright, now let's do a sitting test on this whole thing. Ah, shit, my drink. It works. Never will I choke. Boy, you can call him Big Pooh.